Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we dive into this EA review, just a quick reminder that you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, we are taking an in-depth look at an expert advisor called Regal for MT5, developed by Evgeny Marchuk. As the name confirms right from the start, this specific version on the marketplace is designed strictly for MetaTrader 5. The developer does note that a MetaTrader 4 version exists. Okay, so we can see that here there is actually a MetaTrader 4 version. All right, but if you are looking at this specific listing, it runs on MT5. So looking at the listing details, the developer has listed the purchase price at 240 US dollars with a monthly rental option available for 99 US dollars. According to the description, Regal Spear is built around a neural network template that evaluates market entry conditions automatically. The developer explicitly states that it does not use martingale, grid, or arbitrage strategies, and positions are designed to be protected by built-in stop loss and drawdown parameters. For trading recommendations, the author suggests running this on Euro USD pair using the 5-minute time frame. All right, with a minimum recommended deposit of $100 on a broker featuring low spreads and fast execution. Okay, so moving down to the inputs section, we can see the configurable parameters. The EA includes an auto lot feature alongside risk percentage settings, fixed take profit and stop loss controls in points, and a safe trades toggle meant for safer entry logic. There are also timing parameters like trading lasting, which limits position holding time in minutes, and an end of month stop filter to pause trading around month end transitions. Now, let us transition over to the strategy tester and analyze a completed historical backtest to see how these settings actually played out. So this historical test was conducted on Euro USD on the M5 time frame, covering the period from January 1st, 2026 to July 24th, 2026. And it got a history quality of 100% based on real ticks. Sorry, based on, we use the every tick modeling. The test started with an initial deposit of $10,000 running with auto lot enabled at a 20% risk setting, a fixed stop loss of 15 points, a take profit of 1.8 points, and safe trade set to true. Okay, so looking at the historical trade log to observe how the strategy executed entries, the EA operated primarily around a very specific time window, typically executing trades between 20 o'clock and 21 o'clock server time. It utilized a mix of direct market orders and buy limit orders, maintaining a strict maximum of one open position at a time. Positions were generally short-lived with an average holding time of just over 1 hour, occasionally exiting within a few minutes if market conditions met its criteria. Now, looking at the historical results, the performance over this 7 month period, this 7 month testing period, ended in a negative net profit of $4,251.36. Out of 65 total trades, the EA achieved a high win rate of 78.46%, winning 51 trades and losing 14. However, despite winning nearly 80% of its positions, the profit factor came in at 0.64. The primary driver behind this disparity comes down to the risks to reward structure visible in the data. The average profit trade was $148.49, while the average loss trade was $844.59. Because the historical testing setup used a very tight take profit relative to its stop loss, a few large losses outweighed a long sequence of small wins, including one single loss of over $2,050. Now, this dynamic led to a maximal equity drawdown of 66.94%. It is important to remember that these historical testing results reflect one specific set of parameters, specifically a high risk setting of 20%. Performance can vary significantly depending on lot sizing, broker spreads, execution speeds, and user optimization. All right. So, in conclusion, Regal's peer EA for MT5 presents a short duration trading model with a high historical win rate, but its performance in this test highlights the critical importance of risk management. A high risk percentage combined with an asymmetrical risk to reward ratio can leave an account vulnerable to sharp drawdowns during consecutive losses. So traders interested in this EA may want to conduct extensive testing using lower risk settings, conservative lot sizes, and forward demo testing before drawing final conclusions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.